Mike Hughes here. I'm at Big Island Divers, and I'm with Katrina, and I didn't get your name.
Nikki.
Okay, and now they come to the booth, they see these beautiful women here at the booth, and then they come over, and then they put on this headphone, well, it's a what is it? Virtual mask, and then so they see everything about the island. They look at that, they don't get to talk to you anymore, and then they walk on. Or did they just come in and ask you questions about it after they viewed what the islands look like underneath? How does that work?
You know what?
This is all brand new.
We're only about 25 minutes into showing people. So,
Right.
So far, it's people talking about the Manta Dive and us showing them the Manta Dive.
The Manta Dive.
Being like, this is a little taste of it, so now you gotta come to the Big Island and do it.
Okay, and for those that don't know about the Big Island and the Manta Dive, we're talking about going on a boat, going out how far?
A couple miles down the coastline.
Okay, and now they're going to be hanging on ropes or what, off the side of the boat?
If they're diving, they're just gonna be sitting down on the bottom on some sand and rocks.
About how deep?
About 35 feet.
Okay, and looking up, and then that's when the mantas pass by?
Yep, mantas come to you.
Because the plankton's already there. The food source, you don't have to chum the water or anything.
Nope.
They're just there, and you're just visually watching.
Yep.
And not moving around or anything.
Exactly.
Cool. And at the end of the dive, you get a free manta. No, you don't get a free manta. I guess not. But you can see them swirling in the picture up here. This is the dive where they're sitting down and looking around. But this is the big attraction on the Big Island because it's every night.
Yep.
Guaranteed? Well, no, you can't guarantee it.
No
They're mantas.
guarantees.
I mean, really.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. But if they want more information about Big Island Divers or the Manta Dive, they would go to...
BigIslandDivers.com.
Okay, that was easy. Okay, well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.